Hey guys, so it finally came. I have BTS's 2019 season's greetings, and it is currently like 5 in the morning, so that's why it sounds like I'm kind of whispering, because I am. My dad is sleeping and I couldn't sleep. I was really bored, so I was like, okay, well, we're just gonna film it right now. So yeah, so this is the front. Oh, look at that picture. It's so cute. I'm excited. So I did unwrap it from the plastic. I unwrapped almost everything in here so it would just be easier. So yeah, so let's take everything out. I did see who I got. Let's just take everything out of the box first, and then I'll show the box. Okay, so this is the front, the side. I believe they drew this. I want to guess that that one is Suga's, just by the minimalism, but I don't know. The sides, sorry it's so zoomed up. Nothing special about the sides. It has the BTS logo and then the ARMY logo. Then you have this official sticker. Then you have the subtitles, Korean, English, and Chinese. 85 minutes. So yeah. So that was the box. Now inside, it has the picture that I'm sure we've all seen. I thought Jungkook was cute. He looks a little crazy. Then inside, I like how they did the box. And then right here it says Our Happiness Army. I do know that these little messages right here are the small things that make them happy, because the concept was happiness. If I remember correctly, I only remember some of them. I remember that Tae's was looking at art and taking pictures. Jin's was when you call him handsome and then sleeping in and waking up and then it's like 3 in the afternoon. I believe Jimin's was traveling, and I don't remember what Suga's, Jungkook's, Hobi's, or RM's was. I'll probably put it at the end of the video. We'll see. We will see if I want to edit. So that was the box. So I'm gonna kind of go in order. So here is the photo strip or photo card. Here, let's put it on the back. So here is the baby photo. I got RM. Oh, he looks so cute. And this is the back. It's kind of like a see-through thing. And then here are the ID photos. So let's just take those out. These are so tiny. Here is RM. Suga, oh, beautiful. Jin. Hobi. Jimin, I love this little flower crown thing he's got going on. Tae, ooh, I love his glasses. And then Jungkook. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna put these in my photo binder, but you know, I will figure it out. Next, I'm gonna kind of go in order on how it came out. Next, we have the tape. I don't think I'm gonna use this, to be honest. Maybe, we will see. So this is, oh look, made in China. Isn't that ironic? There's Hobie. It's kind of like a group shot. Jungkook, Jin, and Hobie again. And this one's like they're outside, or inside. The other one, I believe they're outside. So here's RM. Oh, Suga. Jin. I believe that's Jungkook, and then Hobie on top of him. So that was a tape. Next we have the CD to making DVD. So let's just take that out. Ooh, I don't know it. Oh, you can kind of see me. This is a DVD, the front, the back. That's cute. I like it. Next we have the index paper. So let's just open that up. Oh, we have a flyer. Oh, that's cute. They're kind of like sticky notes. Oh, dude, they're cute. I'm happy. Maybe I'll use a few from each member. It really just depends. So that was the index paper. Next we have the desk calendar. So 2019 calendar. You have their names, the Army's logo, the back. Let's just open that up. So here's January. Oh, look at them just sleeping back there. Oh, this is cute. In the back. Oh my god, this is so adorable. You have Jungkook. And then J-Hope's birthday. And then I believe that says J-Hope, Hobie, yeah. Oh, and then around the bottom right here it says their happiness, Jungkook's happiness. I can read Hangul, but I can't really translate it. There are certain words I can translate, but you know, I'm not there yet. And I did see on Twitter that this is actually Hobie's hand. And O2 was Jungkook. I love these pictures, I really do. And you have Jimin. I thought it was really cool because these are actually his own Polaroids that he takes. So I thought that was really cool that they had him do that. Then March, Suga's birthday. And down here, Jimin's Happiness. I actually do think it's kind of weird that for their birthday months, it's not them in the picture. Like, since it's Suga's birthday month, but in the picture is Jimin. But I do believe they pick the month that they want to be in, but I could be wrong. So don't quote me on that. Here's Jimin again. Oh, I love this picture so much. I really love like this whole concept. Oh look, you can see him right there. That's so cute. That was March. Then we have April, and then it's Jin. I love this picture. I love his like blonde hair with like the dark eyebrows. I love that. Then here's March. Then right there, Jin's Happiness. In the back. Jin looks so good. Jin is also my bias wrecker, so. Then May. There's Suga and RM. Suga's my bias, and then Jin, or RM is actually bias wrecker number 2. So far I have 3 main bias wreckers. So. Oh, they look so cute. We have June. Oh, look at them, that's so cute. Well, then you have their debut. Oh, look at Jungkook's smile. I love his smile, I really do. And you have Tae for July. Then you have Army's birthday. That I believe is the day that they came up with the fandom name, the BTS fandom name. So I believe that is the day they were like, oh, we're gonna call them the Army. You have V's Happiness. I love him with blonde hair. That's my favorite hair color on him. Ooh, that is a nice picture. Then we have August. We have J-Hope's Happiness. Ooh, I love that picture. Wow, he is just beautiful, isn't he? Wow. I really do love the concept they were doing for this. You have September, my birthday month. Who did I get? Jin, Jungkook, and Jimin. Then you have Jungkook's birthday, RM's birthday. Then down here on the 29th, you have my birthday. I really love sharing a birthday month with them. In the back. Ooh, I love that choker that Jin's got on. Oh my god, look at him. This is October. You have Jimin's birthday. Oh wow, he really is just gorgeous, isn't he? And at the back, man, that is a beautiful human being. The end of November. That's a cute picture. I really want to know if there are actually things inside these boxes, you know, like this package right here. Like if there's actually something in them, or if they just like stuffed it with paper or something. That I want to know. back. I love RM so much. Best leader in the world. Then December, V and J-Hope. You have Jin's birthday, Tae's birthday. In the back, I love this picture so much. And then you have, I believe, oh, something's happening. There we go. And here you have 2020, yeah, January 2020. Oh, I love this picture so much. Oh, that's so adorable. I really do love Hobie's hair like that. Long, black, curly. Ooh, I really love Suga's shoes. Oh, wow, they're just beautiful. So that was the desk calendar. Now to the diary. So here you have, hold on, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Okay. So here you have their birthdays. You have Jungkook's, RM, Suga, Tae's, Hobie's, Jimin, Jin. And then right here you have Our Happiness, ARMY. So yearly plan, monthly plan, weekly plan, free note, and then photo album. And on the back you have ARMY's birthday. I really do think that is so cute. So we'll just open that. So 2019, then it has like the months. So I believe this is a planner. I'm not gonna go in and do all these pages. Oh, this is cool. And then we also have graph paper if you know you want a bullet journal, something like that. I really like that they interpreted all these things. Then this type of paper, then you know if you want to draw or something. And they have lined paper so you can write. And over here has BTS and ARMY. Then you have messages from them. Okay, the photo album. What we've all been waiting for. I love that they're just having fun. I did see in the teaser what they were doing with this. I thought that was funny. Then our M. Ooh, look at him, a beautiful man. Oh my god, my buy is on my buy record. They knew. How did they know? It's like they made this for me. Then you have Hobie, Jimin. You have Tae, Jungkook. For you Tae-Cook shippers out there. Oh my god, look at Suga. He looks so... Oh my god. That's funny. Honestly, I feel like this is like the embodiment of Suga. I mean, you have all of them having fun, and then you just have him on the side. You have Hobie, RM, Tae and Jin. Ooh, that is a nice picture. I like that. And there's our M. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so cute. I really want to know there's stuff in there. I love that picture. thought that was adorable. I was pretending to box. That is so cute. Oh, look at him. Oh, I love him so much. I love when they scrunch their noses. I think it's so cute. Sorry about being really quiet. It's just, like I said, it's 5 in the morning. I'm really tired, but like I can't sleep, so. I love Hobie so much. He's just so gorgeous and beautiful. That's a nice picture. I really do love him with blonde hair. Ooh, that is also a nice picture. Ooh, and you see that right there? If you didn't know, I have a sort of a hand kink. Like I look at those hands and I'm like, man, that is a dangerous hand. I'm very sorry. I can't wait to watch the DVD. I'm excited. Oh, that looks so cute there. I really do love this picture. Oh look, if you look close, you can tell that they're watching Jungkook's GCF. I believe in Saipan, I think they were. I love these pictures. I really like the vintage look they have to them. I really love pictures with that style. Oh, he looks cute in that beret. Yellow is like one of my favorite colors to wear. I love yellow. Oh, I love that picture. Oh my god, look at his gummy smile. Oh, I am a sucker for gummy smiles. Oh my god. He looks so cute. I love when Sugar wears the bandana also. I also really love this like hair color on Jin. This like purplish pinkish color. And this also like peachy color on Jungkook. You have the credits. On the last picture, I believe. And then here you can just put your name and stuff. And they have stickers. So this is like their birthdays. And I believe these are like some oh, I forgot what it's called. I can't talk today, I'm sorry. Oh my god, this is gonna bother me. What? Oh man. Well, just another stickers. Is them up close. Expressions? Is that what I'm looking for? I don't know. In the back. So that was a diary. And then it also came with these pictures. So we'll open that. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god, can I get these out? There we go. So here's the first one. I really do love this picture. Second one. The third one. This is also one of my favorite pictures. It looks so good, and I love that just Tae and Suga are just sleeping in the back. Oh, and then this is the back. Pretty much the same, except with some color, and then with Season's greetings on the back. So that was the pictures. And then it came with a mouse pad, I believe. I believe the mouse pad was just for pre-order. So this is the front, the back. So yeah. It also came with a wall calendar. So here's the tube it came in. And to make it easier, I kind of already hung it up so I can just lift up the pages. So yeah. So here is the wall calendar. So it's got the group picture, and then down here, the days, Season's greetings, and then month. So it's January, February, March, April, May, June. Oh, it's a group picture. That's cute. It's like a family picture. July, August. Oh my god, he looks so good. September. Oh, I think it is the same order, just different pictures. So yeah. October. Oh my god. I was a month too early. Yep, that's the problem here. I was a month too early. November. December. And then 2020. And I think that's it. Yep, and then this is the front, the 2019 Season's greetings wall calendar. So yeah. So that was my unboxing of the 2019 Season's greetings. I do have more things coming to unbox for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for those, and yeah, bye.